Hi guys, welcome to another video of mine. This one is quite exciting as I'm going to put up my Halloween decorations, and this year I'm going all out. We're going extra. So yeah, I've got my Halloween jumper on and we're gonna make this little house all festive for the autumn, and I'm really excited. So this is the outfit that I'm wearing. Got my Halloween pumpkin jumper on, and I love this jumper. It's on Amazon, I'll link it down below. Excuse my dirty mirrors. And yeah, just leggings. So yeah. So we have quite a lot of Halloween decorations. Just thought I'd show you roughly some of the ones that we've got. So at the minute I'm just stacking them on our cat thing. But this is all going to be for our Halloween tree, which is very exciting. I also have 2 boxes here with Halloween decorations and a box there. So this is going to be fun. And also, look how cool this mug is. If you're a Starbucks fan, I got this the other day because I'm sad. So we're just gonna put the wreath up on the door. How cool is this wreath? It's from Costco, but I got it last year. But I think they still do some. So I got these little Halloween pumpkins and I put them down this banister. So I'm just going to do that now. Then I went on to decorating the rest of the hallway, including putting this Pluto skeleton up, adding a ghost and a pumpkin to my map, adding a spider and spider web just outside the toilet door, and also adding keep out, caution, Halloween signs onto the other blank canvas doors. I then added a scary sticker to the toilet seat, which I think is pretty cool. So I'm now moving on to decorating the living room. This is my favourite part. So I'm just putting up the Halloween sign, and then we're going to go on to decorating the rest of the room. So guys, I'm super extra and brought a black Christmas tree this year, and I'm going to decorate it in Halloween stuff. This is what the living room looks like so far, as you've probably just seen. Yeah, this is what I'm putting up next, thy tree. So while I'm putting up the tree, I decided to put some Halloween themed music on, and I've opted for Disney because this is Halloween. Okay guys, the tree is up. Now time to decorate. So this is what the tree is currently looking like. I've actually run out of batteries, but how cool do these eyeballs look? I think they look insane. I love them. And they're only £1 from Poundland. Bargain. But I'm actually obsessed with the tree. I'm actually so obsessed. Okay, so all the lights are on the tree. So we've got some spiders, some eyeballs. These are actually little pumpkins, but you can't really see. We've got these ones, which are actually bats. Don't know if you can really see, they're more lights. And these ones here are actually spiders as well. But I'm actually obsessed. Anyone looking outside is going to think this is a Christmas tree. But it's not, guys, it's a Halloween tree. So this is what it looks like so far. I still need to put some more baubles on it, but I think it's looking pretty good. And then I've put some pumpkins either side and a boo sign. And there's actually lights coming down the window, which I'll show you more in the dark. And then I've added some hanging witches and a bat. And then, yeah, that's all I've done. And I've also put some tinsel on my radiator and that. So we're getting there, we're pretty much there. So guys, the Halloween decorations are complete and they're done. So I'm just going to walk you through them, and then I'll put in a clip at the end of what they look like in the dark, because obviously they look better in the dark because it lights up. So I'm going to start off with the hallway, and yeah, I'm going to spin the camera around. This is also loose, he's looking in. So this is the wreath from Costco, which is really cool. And then I've actually just stuck lights in it to give it more of an authentic look. And then if you open the door, we have a cat that thinks he's part of the Halloween. So here's the trick or treat mat. And then as we go up the stairs, we've got pumpkins going along the banister. And then another cat here who's keeping an eye on us. Ain't it, Nar? You're a good girl. And this is what my cats do to that mat. Then we come into the hallway, and then on this door here, you've got some things hanging up there. And then we've got pumpkin and boo. And then on this door, so this is where Charlie's currently working. So, makes sense not to go in there. And then excuse the mess in the kitchen, but we have drink up witches on the kitchen side, this side, which I think is perfect. And then we have on this side potion bar. So this is where we're going to get all the alcoholic bevs in. And then Nana's eating her food. And then as we come on to here, we've got Pluto in his little skeleton. And then this door here, we have all the like Halloween ghosts and pumpkins. Then we have a spider. Then on this door, as you go into the toilet, there's more caution, dare to enter sign. Then the toilet, there's literally, oh, you don't want to see the inside. It's literally the top seat. How cool is that? It looks like someone's coming out of the seat, which is a bit freaky. And then, are you ready guys for the main event? This is the Halloween room. So we've got the Happy Halloween sign. And then we've got some cats. A cat on it and 2 Halloween hats. This is actually the Disney playlist. So that's what I've got on at the minute. And then I've got some tinsel under the TV stand, 2 lights, and a boo. And this makes the coolest noise. Like, look how cool this makes. If you like Ghostbusters, I'm obsessed with him. And then we come down here. Under the tree, we have some cool pumpkins. And then we've got the masterpiece of a tree, which looks fucking insane. It looks insane. So now I'll walk you through some of the decorations. We've got ghosts, we've got pumpkins, we've got these little baubles, which are from John Lewis. All the lights, like spiders, the eyeballs, these are actually from Poundland. These are from John Lewis. And yeah, it's just a cool funky tree. Obsessed. Then you won't be able to see this as well, but there's lights hanging down the window. And then on top, we've got some witches hanging. A bat in the middle. And then we've got some more witches down the other side. And then on the windowsill, we've got 2 pumpkins, the boo light, and then another pumpkin. And then we keep going around the room. There's a Happy Halloween sign. And then another one of these going along here. And then on my tables, I've just put these little spider tablecloths. And yeah, that is what it looks like. And I'm obsessed, literally obsessed. This is what the decorations look like now that it's a bit darker outside and you can see them all lit up. Thanks for watching guys. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for videos every Wednesday and Sunday. Please go ahead and follow me on socials, which will be linked in the description bar below. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!